In this video, I will show how to transfer files between iPhone and Windows without any software. iPhone and Windows are both devices connected to the same Wi-Fi network. First, go to the computer. In the first step, you need to create a folder. And change the properties setting of the folder. The second step is to change your internet sharing settings. Change your network profile like my computer settings. Then click on Save, Change, and Close. The third step is to know the IP address of your computer. In the fourth step, you need to know the username and password of your computer. Now go to iPhone File Manager. Now enter the IP address of the computer here. For security reasons, I hide my computer's IP address. Here, enter the username and password of the computer. Then press the next button and you can see the folder on your computer. Now you can transfer any video or image from your photo gallery to computer. Now you can see the file sent from iPhone on your computer. I send this video from iPhone to computer. Similarly, you can take any file from a computer to iPhone through this folder.